used to be being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where the ghosts live loud. The sin's like a bird in a chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up.
Hey, my beauties, it is CC, your frugal goddess. You know what? I'm coming to you today with a chit chat. I was actually going to do a wig review because it's Wednesday. And happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy 4th. Please, 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 please be safe out there. If you're going to drink responsible. Whatever you do, do it with a sense of responsibility. And remember, you know, just because you choose to drink or do whatever you do, you know what I'm saying? Smoke weed, whatever floats your boat. Just because you choose to do it, the next person on the road is not choosing to do that. So don't take a life today and don't affect a life today. Just be responsible with whatever you choose to do. But anywho, I was going to do a wig review today. I was going to review this wig. And I was getting, putting my clothes and stuff on and whatnot, because when I come on camera, y'all, I really think that like we in the living room kicking it or whatever, because I got to be showered and this, that, and the other. But anywho, so before I got in the shower, I was scrolling through Facebook. I was waiting on the water to get hot, and I was scrolling through Facebook, and I saw a friend of mine. And I know yesterday when I was scrolling through Facebook, I had seen her and she said she was going to shave her head. So I thought she was literally, because she wears a low haircut, and I thought she was going to, you know, fade it up or whatever. I literally did not think she was going to shave her complete head. Well, today I saw the picture and I was like, oh, wow, okay, she did it. And my first thought, because this is a person that I truly, truly love. I love her to death. And me and her have been through some ups, downs, sideways together. We have not really talked in a few years, but I had an incident that was going on with my son, and I'm here to tell y'all the first thing I did was I inboxed her. Before I could get a chance to get it out to her, God had already worked it out. But my first instinct was, I know who could tell me the information I need, and it was her. I'm not mentioning her name because she did not tell me I could share her video, and so I just don't want to share her information without her permission. But her video, she did a live video of her getting her head shaved, and when I tell you, it truly, truly inspired me, because she was saying the reason she shaved her head was because, like I was saying, I'm running in circles, y'all. Let me slow down. But my first thought was, I hope she is not sick, because a lot of times people won't tell you what's going on with them, and I found that out this week also. But my first thought was, I hope she's not sick. And so as I got to watching the live video, people were asking her like, girl, what's wrong with you? What you doing this for? This, that, and the other. And when I tell you, she handled it like a G, like for real. She was just like, she didn't get indignant. She didn't, she just said, you know, I had to get butt naked with the Lord. She said, I'm tired of the wigs, the weaves, the sprays, alopecia, and what have you. And I was like, oh, okay. And, you know, yeah, you know, now me personally, I love my wigs. I truly, truly, truly love my wigs. I have been wearing wigs for years, like years and years and years and years and years and years, like for real. I have been wearing wigs for a long, long time. And I mean, since my kids, let me say that, not my girls, but my kids were little, and my oldest son is 26 right now. So I have been wearing wigs for at least 20 years, okay? So I love wigs, but, I do not feel like I have to wear a wig. And y'all know my hair is, you see my thoughts in the front, period. But like, I have those cowlicks in the front right here. And then this area right here, like this right there, is so thin, and I don't know, it's just bad. But I don't feel hostage to my wigs. But you know, I think about it because me as a woman, especially a black woman, a lot of times, you know, we as people, we have forgotten about compassion. We have forgotten about that we are supposed to love people no matter what. You know what I'm saying? We really have forgotten about that. And we can say some really cruel and mean things. And so I do know that some people probably do feel like they are held hostage to wigs, weaves, and whatever. And, you know, as a black woman that I consider my hair nappy. I'm happy to be nappy, okay? Because y'all know I put that perm in my hair, and I should have put some nair on the top of my head rather than perm, because it ate my hair up like hair remover. So I'm happy to be nappy. Let me say that, okay? I'm cool on those perms and all of that. You know, if that's what you choose to do, that's your business. I don't have no problem with it. But for me, I'm happy to be nappy. And I know that the natural hair Nazis and all of that, I have not seen them as much lately. But I know that you're not supposed to call it nappy. You're supposed to call it this. You're supposed to call it that. Y'all, I done had the same nappy hair for 40 plus years, okay? I'm okay with who I am. And, but yeah, we need to really do not let the beauty industry, because that's what it is. It's an industry. It's a business, okay? Of course, they want to shame women, not just black women, but all women, into changing their hair. I mean, you got hair dye, you got hair weave, you got tape in weave, clip in weave, sew in weave, snap on weave. I'm surprised there's not a weave out there with a zipper in it. And they not just holding us hostage. When I say us, I'm saying black women. You got white, green, gray, grizzly green, and gray women out there wearing weave. They are holding us all hostage. They holding us hostage with the makeup. They holding us hostage with the earrings, with the piercings, contact lenses, y'all. Yes, I got almost every color under the sun. Contact lenses, but I can't see. I have them because I can't see. But they are holding us high with the eyeglass frames. We can't get the plain frames no more. No, we got to get the ones with embellishment. The beauty industry is holding us hostage. Today is Independence Day. It's Happy 4th of July, y'all. Allow yourself to be free. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you will see me, I will come on here, I won't have no makeup on. Normally my makeup routine is my brows and my lipstick. But sometimes, like today, I do have some lip stuff on, and that's because my lips was so dry that it was pitiful. The nails, okay? They hold us hostage, y'all. And we have to, if you are held hostage or not, okay? For me, I love embellishment. I just love embellishment. My house is embellishment. I got bling, glitter, everything in my house, okay? It is embellishment. But I like it. Do I feel like I'm being held hostage? I don't know. But I do know that when I was watching my friend's video, and she said, sometimes we got to get butt naked with God. And that just really touched me, because I can't wear no wig to heaven. I mean, they could bury me in one, because I do want to be buried in one of my cute wigs. I ain't going to lie to you. But is it going to go with me to heaven? No, it's not. Is it going to go with me to the afterlife? No. Are these nails going to go with me to the afterlife? No. Earrings? No. Piercings? No. None of this is going with me to the afterlife. So, if your embellishments are making you vain, if they're making you where you cannot literally be seen without your wig, like y'all, I walk around, I have my wig cap on. I'm talking about my kids' friends have seen me with my wig cap. I'm okay. I'm okay. And I do know at one time, my wigs were a mask for me. They were a mask for me. I was held hostage because wasn't nobody gonna see me without my wigs. Okay, if it wasn't a wig, it was a weave. If it wasn't a wig and a weave, it was braids. But you were not gonna see me without that. It was a time that certain makeup, if you didn't live in my house, you were not going to see me without that makeup. And we have got to be free from that. We got to be able to go, because we got to be able to go to Walmart and don't worry about how we going to show up on the Walmart cam, okay? Because that's a pet peeve of mine. When I go to Walmart, y'all, I try to be everything, at least try to be in order. I got my wig on. I ain't running around in no bonnet. I got my eyebrows on. My clothes are, a certain type of way. But yes, we have to know that God is going to accept us as to who we are, and who we are in Him is important. Like my friend said, it's not what's on the outside, it's what's on the inside. You can't mask the inside. I saw that, truthfully, I went through an experience at the end of 17 into 18 with a person, and they were wearing a mask. And as I saw that mask begin to fold and crumble and fall off, I was like, wow, they were not at all who they portrayed, who they introduced themselves as. And so for me, you know what? Some of y'all know I cuss, okay? God is not through with me, but I'm really working on my mouth because my pastor just did a Bible study about cursing, and so it really opened up the windows for me. But I do curse. I'm not perfect. I got some temper in me still, as a friend of mine once said, I still cough and spit up a demon every now and then, okay? So God is still working on me, but He is really opening me up to be a whole new me. He is slowly peeling back the layers of the onion. And I just want y'all to know that I love you. It is Independence Day today. Free yourself of something. What it may be, I don't know. I don't know what you have that may be holding you back. But whatever it is, free yourself. Be free today. If you have some medical issues that may be going on and you're not sure about them, go get yourself checked out. Go get yourself checked out, y'all. Yo, we got doctors. I mean, I'm talking about professionals. We got people, especially for our eyes, especially for our teeth, especially for our throat, our ears, our nose, our hair, our skin. Go to the dermatologist. If your skin is bad, go to the dermatologist. If your ears are bad, go get you a hearing aid. Whatever you need to be free, go get it. Quit worrying about, somebody gonna see my hearing aid. Don't worry about that. Go get it. Y'all, I'm going to get my ears tested. I don't know. My hearing might be going. I don't know. But anyway, seriously, allow yourself to be free. Open yourself up for God to use you. Open yourself up to be a whole new you. Today, it is Independence Day. Be independent and free yourself. With that, y'all, I'm going to get out of here. I'll be back tomorrow with my wig review. I just can't even do the wig review today. I don't know. I got something bubbling up in me, and I thank God for it. I just wanted to come on here and share. I love you. Be safe. Be responsible. I'm finna go eat, y'all. Yes, I'm finna go eat. I made some cauliflower and cheese. My diet is going wonderful. I got to come back with all my updates, y'all. And that is one of my things today, a 30-day challenge I'm doing, is to be consistent in something. In my videos and my updates is one of them. I'm finna get out of here because I am holding y'all hostage. I love you. I want you to have a beautiful, 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 blessed 4th of July. Happy, happy, happy 4th. Remember to always, always tell somebody you love them. Do not wait too late. And remember to please always be your own kind of beautiful. Later.